In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the different parts of the white cane. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Mike Mulligan here. Thank you so much for joining again today. Today we're going to be talking about the different parts of the white cane. There are many different kinds of canes out there, but for today's video I'm going to be covering an Ambutech folding cane. And to start, the main part of the cane, the long white part here with the red at the bottom, is called the shaft. And then at the top of the cane is where you find the handle. The handle is black and it feels kind of like a golf club handle. It's made out of rubber. It's rounded and also has a flat part on it for where you would hold your finger for different cane grips. At the very top of the cane is a long elastic cord, and this cord actually runs through the entire cane all the way down to the bottom, the tip. But this is used as a way of wrapping the cane up when it's folded. And then along the shaft of the cane, there's these little kind of black joints, and these joints are where the cane comes apart. You can see the elastic inside of it, but this is where the cane comes apart so you can fold the cane. And then finally, we have the tip of the cane. The cane tip is interchangeable on most canes. You can pull it out and change it with a different type of cane, or even replace a cane that is broken or just worn out. So that's really it for the cane. It's pretty simple, but just wanted to explain that and show it to you all. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful learning about the cane and the different parts of the cane. Please stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more videos coming out about the white cane. Also, if you really are into these videos and you find them helpful, please subscribe to this channel down below. Thank you.